guys, it's Cherael again, and today I have something way more ambitious than a simple dip powder nail tutorial on this channel. I built an aquarium nail on my nails. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this beautiful aquarium nail design using dip powder. So stay tuned. The products I'll be using today are lemon and blueberry from the Mia's Secret Fruity Nail Collection, which I mixed together with clear to get a beautiful teal. I also use Pro Dip Clear and Mia's Secret Cover Pink and also Kiara Sky Seal Protect. So I start off by applying bond to my natural nails just to dehydrate the nails. I wait 30 seconds and then I apply my base and then my clear dip powder. I start by building the nail, so we're going to start off by applying the base to where the natural and the tip meet. I'm not building the ring finger though. This is going to be my aquarium nail. So I'm not showing you all of the nails, just two, okay? So stick around. Okay, so I start off by applying base to the tip of the nail, and then I sprinkle some of the teal mixture on my nails. So my vision for this nail design is to picture the ocean and the blue azure skies, the waves beating against the seashore. A beautiful sight and a beautiful mind. Life is good. Okay, enough of that shit. So I'm imagining being in Curacao again, where the beaches was blue and gorgeous. Okay, this is kind of my depiction of that, especially when I bring in the aquarium nail, which I'm shook that it came out good. I'm very proud of it. It could have been better, but for first time it was good. And I just wanted to show you guys how I achieved that look, just in case someone wants to try it, you know, especially when you're using dip powder, because we all know monomer is hard to master. So if you can get an easier way of doing it, why not? So I'm here to help. Now it is time to design our seashore. So taking my Seal Protect, I place it in a glass jar, and then using my acrylic brush, I dip it into the Seal Protect and then into the Mia's Secret Cover Pink. And we are doing an ombre look. So do you guys get the vision I'm trying to portray? It's like the ocean is beating against the seashore line. Yes, no? Leave a yes or no in the comment. Let me know if y'all are getting my vision. So I have a favor to ask, right? So I'd like, if you are getting any value from my content, I'd like to know if you all will subscribe to my channel, so I would be able to upload more videos. And also I need to get to 1,000 subscribers, and I need genuine and organic subscribers to monetize my content to help sustain this channel so that I can bring you more videos. So I'd appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel if you think my content is worth subscribing to. I don't want no one to be subscribing if they think that are doing shit, you know. So if you think that I'm worth subscribing to, please subscribe down below. And thanks for everyone who have subscribed to me, all 18 of you. I appreciate you all very much for subscribing, and thanks for staying subscribed. I'll try my best to continue with this channel, but it's kind of hard, you know. But for now, I'm going okay. So yeah. And also, can y'all like and comment on the videos so that, you know, my audience retention could go up? Because, you know, nothing is really happening. So thanks a million for anyone who does do that. I appreciate you guys. Anyway, so afterwards I went back in with some teal to further blend my nails to get the ombre look. I only showed myself doing it on one finger, showing all would have been a sin, okay? But it took a while to do those because I had to go back and forth in order to get a proper blend. A tip to use is never use the same glass of Seal Protect to do the two colors. It would bleed onto each other and make it look kind of weird, in my opinion, you know. So I used base for the aquarium nail and then I applied cover pink. I didn't think it was necessary to use the Seal Protect and the cover pink because I didn't want it too bulky. So I think I added some clear and activator afterwards with that. Anyway, so now we are going to make our famous aquarium nail. So I apply Seal Protect and clear on the perimeter of the nail, and then using a clear nail tip from the BU nail collection from Amazon, I'll leave a link below, I apply it to the nail, making sure to leave a space. And then when it was fitted, I then proceeded to apply clear around the nail. This was very tedious work. I apologize if the camera angles were not ideal. A tip to remember also is Seal Protect and clear is only pleasing to the eye when a colored background is present. Never do a full clear nail with Seal Protect and clear. That shit turns yellow after a while. I know the feeling of doing a full clear nail design. Came out so good and then 2 hours later it's yellow. Thing to make you cry. Anyway, so now, I use some base and clear because remember you need to cure it, so the base will cure it in order for you to file. You cannot just file on Seal Protect and clear. You need to add the base and dip it in some clear again for it to cure. Okay, so now I cut off the excess at the top because it served no real purpose, and then I file it, you know, to pick up the rough, sharp edge. So now I add my glitter to my nails. I added a little blue and gold and some of the teal. I have teal glitter there just to be dazzle the aquarium a little, you know. Then I added my baby oil to the mix. Yes. It was kind of difficult doing that, you know, and keeping in focus. When I started seeing the little bubble making its guest appearance, I was hyped when I saw it coming together because I was kind of hesitant. I didn't know if it was really going to work. You know, we are using the powder liquids to do this. So now I'm wiping off the excess baby oil with some alcohol pads, and then I'm covering the tank with Seal Protect and Mia Secret Cover Pink. And then I apply base and sprinkle some of the Mia Secret Cover Pink onto it in order for me to file it. And then I add some activator. So now the reveal. Da-da-da-dun. I made an aquarium nail. Look at that. There's movement. It's slow, but there's still movement. But why is the glitter attached to the side walls like that? Why is the glitter not moving? I can barely see anything. Okay, back to the drawing board we go. Building an aquarium nail, take 2. So I placed my hand into plastic to prevent my nails from the acetone, and then I applied acetone to the aquarium only. Do you guys see what I'm talking about there? It stuck to the bottom there and it was not moving, so that was pissing me off. You could still see the bubble, but I didn't like how it was looking, you know. After a while, all the glitter would have been stuck to the
Few minutes later.
to the, what's it called? Yeah, to the base of it. So I didn't like it, so I needed to do that over. Alright. So also with this one, I did it a bit differently. You see where the tip is there? I placed some teal acrylic because I find I was seeing it in the other aquarium. I didn't like it. Remember, it is turning yellow after a while, so I didn't like how it was looking, and I decided to put the baby oil first and then put a little bit of glitter this time, because I realized the glitter was only sticking to the walls of the aquarium. It wasn't really doing much. So the less glitter, the better. I was only focused on getting a bubble in the nail and the bubble moving. That's what I was focused on. The glitter was just there for, you know, for it to look beautiful, for it to have a good appearance. But I was just focused on that, and I got that eventually. So I was happy about that. Although it was pissing me off that I had to do it over, it's better to know what you're doing and do it well. So eventually it came out good and I was happy with it. So after filing and shaping, I forgot about all those other nails, my bad. After filing and shaping, I decided, after filing and shaping, I just added some activator to the nails. And then I added some cuticle crystals, and now I'm applying a little more. I applied this turtle and with that a starfish, and now it's time to top coat. So wait for the reveal video to see the movement of the aquarium nails. I actually noticed when I try to shake my hand, the liquid and the glitter don't actually move that much. That was kind of disappointing, you know. But it was a pleasure doing the nails. And now I'm tired. I'm going to stick to the simple dip powder nails from now. We can do this next time, maybe next 2 years or so. So you're seeing the turtle and the starfish chilling on the shore, you know, talking about life, waiting to head home to the sea. That is the big depiction I'm trying to portray. Okay, I'm talking shit now, okay? I have a wild imagination sometimes, so forgive me. So anyway, thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe and like the video, and see you in my next one. Bye guys!